How did I get into computers? Here's the story. So when I was in middle school, I got my first pre-built computer from iBuyPower. It low-key sucked, but it did the job for what I needed it for at the time, which was just probably Minecraft, not gonna lie. But then I met one of my former friends. He kind of got me into the basics of computer building, but nothing really crazy advanced. We ended up upgrading the iBuyPower computer a couple of times before I switched to a completely new one. Then I started flipping computers 2 years ago. Then about a year and a half ago, I built my build that I'm currently on. Most of the stuff I learned throughout the years has come from just watching a ton of YouTube videos. And a lot of the credit is like Zach's Tech Turf, Linus Tech Tips, Optimum Tech. Those are 3 of my favorites. That's my journey. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll respond to every single one of y'all, and make sure to follow while you're down there.